Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by picking the exact image you want on your Apple Watch face. Quality matters because the watch crops tightly. Once you have the photo, open the watch app on your iPhone and go straight to Face Gallery, or pick the photo and tap the Share to Watch option. Make sure Bluetooth and iCloud photos are active so the image syncs immediately. You're doing this now to avoid redoing layout steps later and to guarantee the watch receives the full resolution picture. You now create the face. In Face Gallery, select Photos or Photo Album to use one image or a rotating set. Once chosen, adjust the crop and position so the subject sits correctly inside the circular or rounded display. Use pinch and drag. Next, pick complications. Keep them minimal so the photo stays visible. Tap Add to send the face to your watch. You'll see a syncing indicator. Make sure to check the watch display and, if needed, repeat to perfect alignment. Finish by activating the new face on your watch. Press firmly on the watch face or swipe through faces until you land on the one you added. You can tweak later from the watch app. If the crop appears off, edit the photo or recreate the face with different zoom. If the image doesn't appear or won't sync, restart the watch and iPhone, toggle Bluetooth and iCloud photos, then re-add the face. That one troubleshooting step usually resolves most transfer hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.